People, let me have you guys understand this, okay? I don't know if it's just me. I've just realized that a lot of people believe that everybody in the world gets a tax return. At the end of the day, as you start making more money, you owe taxes. I stopped getting returns since I was like 20 years old. I always owe money to the IRS. When you start making a certain amount of money, you don't get refunds. You don't care about the earned income credit. You don't care about having dependents on your taxes because you have a tax problem, which is a good tax problem because you're making a lot of money. A lot of you need to understand that should be your goal, having a tax problem, knowing you owe taxes because you're making a certain amount of money. A lot of people, when they say, man, you know, when they hear, oh man, I had to pay taxes this year. Bobby, who was your tax man? They messed you up. No, they ain't messed a goddamn thing up. What they did do is reduce how much I owe by showing me the tax loopholes that exist so I could, of course, reduce my tax burden. As you guys elevate in business and you're making money, you need to understand how to, of course, reduce your tax burden. You need to also understand the importance of having a CPA or a tax professional. A CPA just means an accountant that took a state exam. That's all it is, certified with the state. At the end of the day, you guys need to understand how important that is because you need these people in your corner when you're starting to be in a position where you owe taxes every year, 40, 50, 80, $100,000 or more. Some people owe millions, these multi-billion-dollar companies. At the end of the day, people, that should be your goal, trying to figure out how to reduce the taxes you owe to the government. You shouldn't be carrying all the time for the rest of your life that you're getting a big fat refund. Some people in this world, they're so dependent on a refund. At the end of the day, people, your goal is to have a tax problem, a good tax problem to be exact, knowing that you owe taxes because of the amount of money you're making. And you can only do that by investing into the stock market, investing into self-investment, investing into business where you're making so much money that you gotta pay taxes. It's a good tax problem to have, but never get into that tax problem without a CPA or a tax professional. Mentourme.com.